I've made a lot of robots to test my printer and my servo motor, but I also make some tests like this linear. I found the STL file online, I print them, and I want to test this linear motion. It's not very practical, but it has a little of few centimeters, like I think it's 2 or 3 centimeters, perhaps 5, but the motor is a bit too has too much torque, and the wheel must be reinforced, and there also been some too much torque on this one, and the end of this rail is crashing, but it's very nice to test. I also put on this servo motor a fourth wire. With this wire I can know if the rotation or if there is some too much torque, too much stress put on the motor. When I want the motor to reach a certain direction, a certain rotation, and the motor is not, the servo motor is not responding correctly, I could know with this cable. I found some servo motor on Adafruit, the website, that you can buy with this modification, but I made the modification myself. Like this I can have some very good information about the potentiometer from the servo motor, and I can know if the motor is on stress. Here it is for my return about this linear motion with the servo motor.